wanna play me DJ. I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ. I'm a shot a selector boy. Hold on a pussy, you know, on a fight against me thing. Suck on a mama.
What's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco. I'm back when I hit and I'm smashing up. Bang! I already know what time it is. Yeah, man, people, and from me see from the tiger, see what we're doing today. But before we even get into that, I just want you to take this moment to go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. I really appreciate it. It really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. Helps get my videos out there and help my channel grow, and then help us to get better content. So I really appreciate y'all if you hit that like and subscribe button. Don't know, appreciate y'all. Love it. I cook food. But people, before we jump right in the track, you see we're dealing with something a little bit different today. We got this request all the way from our brothers and sisters in Germany. Yeah, man, they asked us to react to some German drill music, and we're gonna check it out and see what's going on. You know me, I like drill music. I just love music. I love great music, and I've been put on to so much great music. For instance, like UK drill, Italy, like come on, all these other places that I normally listen. So I really appreciate you guys sending me music like this to react to. Keep sending them in. I'll definitely get them done as soon as I can. I really appreciate it. But this one comes from our brothers and sisters in Germany. This one is apparently from OBLADAET, and apparently it's SLEEPKNOT is the title. And we're gonna check it out and see what's going on. Yeah, man, because you know previously we reacted to Central C, and oh man, damn, we react to a bunch of Italian UK artists, and you know what I'm saying, and we're gonna check it out and see what's going on. Yes, no, we listened to 81 Abracadabra from UK, but I forgot some of the Italian drill artists and the French, but you know, I'll make it up to you guys. I'm checking back out, but today we're checking out OBLADAET, and this one is Sleep Now, so I'll go on. You know what I'm saying? Yo, Jambisco family know good music, so when they send it in, I'm always trust it's gonna be some fire music. So we're gonna see what I'm going today. I'm think this is gonna be pretty fire. For the subscriber that sent this, I think they know great music. So I'm gonna check it out, see what's going on. Let's jump right into it. Let's get it.
Damn, are you going crazy on me,
Вещающая из подземки, запрыгнуть прямо на билборд.
Man says, speaking this from now, I'm gonna jump right in the billboard.
Меня после титров, специальная сцена из фильма. Мы носим маски как SLEEPKNOT. Я ща на фейковой симке. Мы поджигаем и зипо. Магнум сипа, магнум сипа.
That boy is sipping on Magnum? What? Magnum sipping? You know what that's what we sip on in Jamaica, right? We sipping on that Magnum.
Гэнг как паразиты, каждый подтянул братишку. На скрипках Арни композитор. Криминальная Россия, ты проиграешь на разминке. По взгляду видно, что ты слился. Мы в Ленинграде на гостинке. Пропал в дыму, я загасился. Я ша Милане, будто Ибра. Я с ней играю, она FIFA. Все, что мы делаем, это фирма. Дал в рот, есть музи, я как лимба. Мой флоу на картах, дай мне пин-код.
Come in, man. Hey, yo, bro, I did not know German. This is fire. This is fire music. This is German drill. Y'all gotta send me some more of this.
Players Club, я новый Ниго. Распространяется как микроб. Я понял, что все это интро. Примерно как заставка в играх. Я часть культуры, словно Мигос. Огромный
Once I do this from me, like, hey, come on.
Вклад на этот микро. Корням вернуться, будто Криро. Доделал грязи, бля, кидрок. Я ща на зданиях, Кинг-Конг. Врубись, я начал новый сезон. Найки, джаз дуем как ветер. И снова крутим рулетка. Веро, Коменда. Запомни, он был очень редкий. Константа, Словецкий. Имею вес, как Поветкин. В этих карманах котлеты. Тут пачки, как из балета. Найки, джаз дуем как ветер. И снова крутим рулетка. Веро, Коменда. Запомни, он был очень редкий. Константа, Словецкий. Имею вес, как Поветкин. В этих карманах котлет.
Yo. I gotta be reading the subtitles, guys, but this is fire. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, I'm on OBLADAET. I'm not sure to say it, but definitely, guys, let me know it's the right pronunciation. But this is fire, bro. That is a Nike Dragon. It's a Nike, just drag it. Rolling like a roller.
Тут пачки, как из балета.
One said, Ballet. Here's tutos from like pockets, like you say, pockets fat. Hey, them boys is fresh in Germany though. I ain't gonna lie. I like y'all swag, you know what I'm saying? Y'all rocking Nike and North Face. Boy, black Air Force. Ooh, the boy got on them dunks too. Oh, there was ones. No, those dunks. And he got on the Black Force and giving Black Force energy, bro. You already know what the Black Force is, right? Oh, okay. What the boy? Okay. The boy got some SBs, some dunks. Boy, and a Supreme. Okay, that's Supreme Bubble Core. Alright. See y'all, boys. Hey, y'all be fresh in Germany though. I mess with it. I like y'all music too. Y'all be fly. Alright. Y'all dope. Hey. Yeah, man. And that was a Montclair ski mask.
Вокруг этот фейк мы на китайском рынке.
Ooh, that sounded fire. Do I gotta check that out too? Yo, that was dope, guys. Let me know what y'all think about that one. Yeah, man, I really appreciate you. You know who you are. I really appreciate you for sending this request for me. I'm gonna start putting y'all names in the title. Let me know if y'all want me to do that, and definitely I'll give y'all a shout out. But yeah, real dope song from OBLADAET. Alright, I wish I knew Germany so I could actually understand it without reading the subtitles. Cause most time I'm reading subtitles, but yo, the overall vibe of the song is really dope. If it was in English, I know the song was like be a hit. I like y'all beat choice. Yeah, I like y'all style or y'all dress. Oh, that we got one named David Beckham. I might check that out next. Let me know what y'all think. Let me know if you want me to check out more songs from OBLADAET, and let me know what you want me to react to next. Definitely keep sending me songs to react to, guys. No matter where it's from, there's dope tracks. Keep sending them in, and I definitely get it done. Preferably from a known artist with a more of a fan base that actually gonna get views. But send it, and I definitely get it done. As long as it's dope. Well, I'm not gonna know it's dope, so I start recording. But make sure it's dope. Send it in. And I'll check it out and see what's going on and get it done as soon as possible. For real. Really appreciate this. I really like dope tracks like this. Things that are different, to expose me to new music. So yeah, guys, definitely let me know what you want me to react to next. Go ahead and I'll get it done. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. If you like the song, definitely go show the artist some love and support. Let me know that Jambisco sent you. Yeah, drop your emojis, drop your flags. Let me know what country you're watching from. You know what I'm saying? And I appreciate y'all love and support. Till next time, you already know what time it is. This boy Jambisco is here, and I hit and smashing a banger. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys, and I'm out.